Hey everyone, I did get the oil changes on this. It was like 60 some dollars. Found out what's wrong with the windshield washer fluid. The washer pump went out. He said more than likely it was caused by the fire since it was soot covered. He said it probably finally just decided to go out. I said okay. They can replace it at Monroe, but it's like $350. I said, I'll just wait on that. He goes, yeah. He says, as long as you keep your windshield clean, he said, you should be good. It's like, that's the only thing I can think of is just when every time I get a car wash and I notice the windshield gets dirty, I'll just start washing it at the car wash. When I get gas, I'll start washing it at the gas station. And then try to save the money to get it fixed, because I also have to get the tire pressure sensor fixed on this, and I also have to get brakes on my back brakes on my Fusion. So now I'm heading back home. I did pick up a few things from the other house. Because I'll need to swap everything over into the Fusion. I drove this for about a week now. I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe. Talk to you guys soon. Have a good day.